Guys, as a treat for the new channel, I've pulled together an old video that I had. This video is probably 3 years old, I'm guessing. This was from quite a while ago, where I bought a safe at an auction that was locked. This went through an auction locally to me, came out of a house clearance, and it just went in the auction as a locked safe. Don't ask me why they decided to put it in the auction. I have no idea. But curiosity got the better of me and I bought the safe. Now, unfortunately, I don't have the footage of the auction because it was quite some time ago. But I do have the fun part of the video, which is the bit that we're going to get to now. So I actually paid £6 for this safe, just because curiosity got the better of me. So £6 plus a 10%, it owed me £7. So enjoy the video, guys, and leave a comment. When it's empty, it goes in the bin.
How about you in the police?
Safe cracker.
Are you filming him?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it might be full of gold bars yet. No. There's a little hammer. Have that little hammer out the front door, Sam.
I don't think we got that.
There's something in there.
Could be full of sovereigns, mate. Could be full of fresh air. Has that gone through him, Jason?
No, it did move. Didn't pull that handle again? That didn't move. Look.
Oh, you got one in going.
What did mate want?
I've done it.
What was it?
Seatbelt clip.
Stitch him up?
Yeah, charge them 10.
What you got, Rush? What lever you?
It's got spanner. That's loosened it. It's got it. Sort of.
That has moved.
Oh yeah, it's come away.
Lever bar around now, didn't you? Double lever though.
We're all intrigued for the big reveal.
You are.
Tell me you're not curious.
Mate, that could be £6 for nothing.
Tell me you're not curious.
I'm not curious.
Really? I'm not that skint that £6 going to break the bank. What did he say?
That's not what he heard.
Well, yeah, alright, fair enough. Maybe I am that skin. It won't hinge that way, will it? Because so I don't think it's going to hinge that way anyway, is it?
Or the side.
Or the back. The back's usually the bit that's the weakest on them, isn't it?
Huh? Mate.
Mate, he's out of luck.
A big old sledge on it. Break that open.
It's the locks holding that side on now, isn't it?
Beat it with a sledgehammer.
Really?
Yeah. Beat that floor with a sledgehammer. You finish recording.
Not now. Oh. Oh.
There's something in there, didn't you?
Use a claw hammer. I'm holding this, and I just in case I've got Del Boys watching there or something.
You can help out now. I'll hold it for you.
You put it on YouTube and it makes loads of money. We want it, not you.
It's the money in the safe I want.
Not getting a little more level then.
No, seems to do it's going to pop up.
Getting bored now.
Yeah, come on. Leave it to. Cut the side out.
That's what I said.
I ain't got discount. I mean blade, and we haven't got to get one.
No, don't blame me.
Yeah, it's a hammer. Big brothers.
James will have a hammer. You get to move this back here and let matey out.
Padlock's buried in dirt now.
Oh no. Yeah, they'll be.
They're coming from the side.
Yeah.
Ain't that strong of a safe, is it?
No.
That car's stronger than that safe.
Yeah.
It's
It's full of something.
Rust.
Put it right here.
Beat the side
Is
out.
it concrete line one?
It's too light for that, isn't it? Yeah, there's that shit in there.
That was,
The other side. not
that was
the
quite
other
heavy.
side.
Yeah, I think you got the door there, Russ. Hey, there's something in there, see? I remember.
It's going to be tea-lease.
How about that then, boys? How about that then?
Told you 50%.
How about that?
Did say 50%.
Hope you enjoyed that one. That was a genuine purchase from the auction locally. We paid £6, as I said, for that safe from the auction. Had no idea what was in it. £6, who cares? I was going to buy it all the same. I'd have thrown it in scrap metal if it had been no good. But for £6, I had to find out. As you saw in the video, there were 2 biscuit tins tied up with string inside the safe. And in there was £29,000. And that's absolutely genuine. All in £20 notes, all wrapped up in £1,000 bundles. What can you say? It's obviously the best find we've ever had at an auction. Probably likely to be the best find we ever do get anywhere, to be honest. But we've got very fond memories of that one. I hope you enjoyed the content, guys. If you do like the channel, please do subscribe, hit the bell notification, and we'll get some more content hopefully one day, guys. Fingers crossed. We'll find something again very similar. But until then, we'll see you on the next video. Good luck.